Let us learn how to create this beautiful Kerala mural painting step by step in this video. Namaste, I am Vidya Magesh Kumar. Welcome to my channel where we explore various traditional and folk arts of India. Let us start the painting. The basic drawing, which is called Lekhya Karma, has been made on a paper. It is now transferred to the canvas and the final outline with red paint, which is called the Rekha Karma, has been done. I have skipped these two steps in this video to keep the video short. Now I am giving the basic yellow wash known as Varna Karma or color wash. I am using a watery mix of ochre yellow to get a light wash. I am carefully leaving out the white portions. Next step is the Vartana or shading. Shading is a very unique method in Kerala mural. Shading is done in a stippling method. I have explained all these steps in detail in my previous video. I have given the link of the video in the description box below. I am using a thin wash of chrome yellow and scarlet lake to give a deeper yellow shade. As I continue, I will be using more of scarlet lake and burnt sienna to get the shades. The details of colors will be shared in my next video. The stippling method is called Bindujam. This painting has a lot of detailing, so I am showing only the important portions of the whole process to keep the video crisp. It is a good idea to keep the colors light and work in layers to get darker colors, so that the shading is done in a controlled manner. Since we are using a watery mix of acrylic paint, the colors tend to be unpredictable. This watery mix also does not allow a uniform wash. This again is used to great advantage in Kerala mural shading. Here I am giving a green border around the figure. This is also another unique feature of Kerala mural. All the figures have a border around them. I am now giving a background wash of greenish yellow at the top and chrome yellow for the lower portion. The greenish yellow wash will be made into leaves, while the chrome yellow portion will be shaded with scarlet lake and burnt sienna combination to give a reddish brown stippling effect. I am now applying thicker green lines wherever I have given green shade. The next step is Lekha Karma or outlining with black. The scalloping design is an important design element on outlines of borders and ornaments. The whole painting comes to life with the black outlining. There is a standard way of doing the flower border around the hair. The hair itself can be done in different ways. In the last video, I had given a plain black wash for the Krishna painting, but here I am giving detailed lines. The design I am making now is a random one. I am just dividing the whole area into different sections so that it is easy to make those lines for hair to look natural. The pearl necklace are simple black outlines without any shading. I am now showing how to do the lotus. This method of shading is called Rekhajam. Instead of dots, lines are used to create shading like hatching. The final touches like adding flowers and other detailing is called Dvika Karma. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you have found it informative. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also please do share your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching.